Hi everybody, I'm Zuri FX. This is my entry for NYX FACE Awards 2018. I will be probably doing another look, but this is what I was really planning on doing. I drew everything out, I planned everything out for my Predator. I wanted to do Predator for a while, and I finally got the chance to. So right now I'm just tracing everything out and covering my eyebrows. Adding some powder so I can paint over them. And next I'm using alcohol base paint where you activate it with alcohol. The way it blends and the way it applies to the skin, it is really good for the earthly, nasty, bloody skin tones that you're trying to do. Adding the white onto the teeth. Okay, next I'm using a hat I bought from Dollar Tree. It was like a very cheap cowboy hat, and I cut it up to use as my big forehead for the Predator. And adding some latex and some toilet paper. Toilet tissue. I bought some jewels from the store, some hair jewels, so adding them. Powdering my latex down and putting some foundation on. And next, body painting has begun. I wanted to keep it very female-ish because she is a girl predator, so I wanted to make sure you could tell it's a girl. Cool fact, in the movie Predator, the predators live over 1,000 years old. That's a good, it's not a true fact because predators are a myth, but it's a cool fact for the movie. In my eyes, I want it to be like a nice wing that flared out at the side of the eye because she is a girl. Adding a little bit more depth and detail. Adding the stretch lines of the skin around the nose area. Coming along, doing some shading to give it some more detail. Trying to make it as 3D effect as possible. I know I could have gone in and did some prosthetics with the teeth, but I wanted to keep it just face paint. Now is the outlining. Outlining is always fun. Shading in the teeth. Adding a little bit more contour. Okay, now I'm going to put my wig on. I had a brown wig and I had a blue wig, but I had my friends take a vote and they voted for blue. So I'm going to put that in and put a whole bunch of bobby pins in to hold the wig, and it worked pretty well because I just put the bobby pins right into my locks. All done. Predator vibe, yeah. And then starting my body as I drew this. Adding my armor that the predator has armor on her shoulders and her arms. Time for body detail. adding some shading onto the net and a little bit of highlighting. And my eyeballs, I saved for the last. Dot and dot. Okay, everybody, I'm all done. This is my entry for NYX FACE Awards 2018. I'm Zuri FX. I'm a makeup and FX artist from New Jersey. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And also remember that there's going to be a brand new Predator movie coming out. Do I know the exact date? No, I don't know the exact date, but I'm very excited about it. Arnold Schwarzenegger is going to be in it. I think it's later on this year or beginning of 2019. But, like again, I'm Zuri FX. Please like and subscribe. And more to come. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.